A bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, there was a man who lived with his 3 boys. The 3 sons were great workers, yet they often fought. The old man tried everything he could to bring them together, but he was unsuccessful. Years went by, and the old man became ill. He urged his boys to remain united, but they disobeyed him. As a result, he decided to teach them a practical lesson in order for them to put their differences aside and remain united. His sons were summoned by the old man. "I'll give you a bundle of sticks," he said. "You'll have to break each stick in half once you've separated them. Whoever breaks the sticks the fastest will be rewarded more." The old man handed each of them a bundle of 10 sticks and instructed them to break each stick into pieces. They shattered the sticks in a matter of minutes and began to argue once more about who was the first to do it. The father then handed each of the boys another bundle of sticks, instructing them to break them together. They attempted to break the stick bundle. Despite their best efforts, they were unable to break the bundle. "Dear sons," the old man said, "see? The single sticks were easy to break into bits, but the bundle was impossible to split. So, as long as you are united, no one can hurt you." The sons saw the value of unity and pledged to stick together. Moral of the story: unity is strength.